Hi guys, welcome back with me in this channel. So on today's quick guide, I'll show you how you can delete your command history on TikTok step by step. Clean up your profile and stay organized. Let's just get started. So first, you can just open your TikTok app and make sure that you are logged in into the correct account. And now you can just access your commands, so you can just do it easily by going to your profile here at the bottom right corner and tap on the three lines on the top right and head to the settings and privacy. And now tap on the activity center, this one, and then just click on the command history, this one. So here you'll see all your past commands, and if you want to delete the command from your history, certain command, you can just simply hold the command that you want to delete. Sorry, you can just click on the commands that you want to delete and it will appear in the videos that you comment. Now to delete it, just long press on it, so hold and long press, and there will be this pop-up, so you can just tap on delete again, and now your commands will be deleted. So unfortunately you cannot delete the commands at once. So if you want to delete all of your past commands, you need to delete it one by one. And as you guys can see, there's also this command where it shows that there is no video in here. So when I click on it, as you guys can see that the video isn't available, so the command is not available also, so it cannot be deleted because the video is gone. But if you see this preview, then you can easily delete those commands. Just long press on it and tap on delete, and it will be deleted within seconds. So you need to repeat the process for any command you want to remove. If you want to clean up even more, you can also delete your likes, searches, and watch history from the same activity center in here. And that's it. Quick and simple. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and click on a thanks for more TikTok tips. Bye!